When is it best to get in touch with you from a planning perspective?
Probably, I would say 8 to 10 weeks prior to them wanting to start on site.
So you deal with the planning side.
And in permission, because this is the other thing that we're struggling with when we're getting inquiries coming in, is the process. And again, all of the whole reason for doing this is born from me developing for myself for many years. So you find a site, you get your planning, how do we build it? You go to an engineer. Then the engineer wants to see building regs drawings, so then the architect takes another fee off of you to produce building regs drawings to a traditional build. So a lot of these people that maybe have done one or two or have just got the trust of their architect and engineer, they will just give them free rein to design them buildings however they see fit. And typically they're going to go with a traditional element because that's what they know. All of them are just going to peel something out of the book and say, right, we know what the tolerances are. So for us, we find that clients are coming to us saying, well, we've got building regs package, we've got a structural engineers pack. That could have cost them 1,000. Well, we tear that up. We don't need that. We need planning drawings, a DWG, so a CAD file of that, and everything else we do.
So the architect drawings, basically
The planning, that's it.
and
Just use it.
you take care of the structural engineering element, if you like.
Structural engineering. The planning's done anyway, so the building regulation side of it will take care of. The actual engineered calculation for the building we take care of, because we work in a very particular way. We don't do brick cavity block work. We'll do a brick cavity timber insulated structural timber panel, which we manufacture ourselves. And all of that stuff it has to be generated from us, and it starts in the ground. So because my engineers that we work with, they understand what we're looking to put on top and the weight of all of that stuff. It has a different impact on loadings, on pile positions. They know that we're putting a steel deck around the rim as a ring beam, an elevated steel deck. So yes, it's nonsense. If you've got an engineering pack that's got brick cavity block work and all of the fun stuff that goes with it, it's not worth anything to us. So it's a waste of money for them, so it's money spent. Not to say that we still produce a great pack within budget. It's not an additional cost. It's something that's within our square meterage rate.
And your scale is right.
650 to 700 pounds a square meter.
60.
So that gets you a foundation, a solid concrete ground floor, insulated wall panels, structural insulated wall panels, and that is ready for a builder or a self-builder to take over. Now, on the external, they'll be in control of windows and doors, external windows and doors, whatever envelope they want to put on it, whether it's Flemish bond brickwork, whether it's brick block and rendered, or whether it's brick block, and then they're going to put some kind of paneling system over the top. The roof covering, i.e. the tiles, zinc, green roofs, that's all down to them. So they're outside the envelope. That's all they have to manage. But the beauty of how we leave the panels inside is they're fully insulated and they're double battened, so you get your service points. So they will have to go to mechanical and electrical contractors, plumbers, electrical, first fix. They can then get a plasterboard tacking firm in. They put all the plasterboards up. They'll have a tape and joint or plaster. Then it's decoration, mist coat, second fix carpentry, floors, kitchens, bathrooms fitted, and so on and so forth. So it's very fast, but they could be working on that stuff inside as soon as the windows and doors are in. So if they are going before brick skin externally, by the time the bricklayers are finished, you should be at a decoration stage inside. So it's fast, it's really quick, really clean. But the foundation is what makes it, all of the trouble we've ever had is getting out of the ground.